Today I'm going to walk you through a simple CPA Grip method that anyone can follow. My own CPA Grip dashboard shows $485, and this method is exactly how I generated it. The steps are straightforward, and if you stay consistent, you can see results too. Same as before, please hit the like button so YouTube knows I'm not speaking into the void. First, you need a CPA Grip account. Go to CPAGrip.com, sign up, and complete your profile. Next, choose a niche. This method works in almost any niche, but I'm using the dating niche because it's always in demand. People constantly look for advice on how to start conversations, grow relationships, and understand the opposite gender. That means plenty of search traffic and plenty of opportunities for your offer to convert. To give people something valuable, go to freepullerdownload.com, search dating, and download a free ebook, like How to Date Any Girl. Then upload the PDF to Google Drive. Make the file accessible to anyone with the link and copy that link. You'll need it for the content locker. Now go back to CPA Grip and create a content locker. Under monetization tools, open URL file locker, create a new one. Paste your Google Drive link, name it after your ebook, and save it. Then copy the final CPA Grip link. This is the link that earns you money whenever someone completes an offer. With the content locker ready, it's time to build a simple landing page. We'll use System.io because it's free and easy to work with. You used up your free credit. That's easy. Use an antidetect browser and create more accounts to get free credit. Once you create an account, open the funnel section and make a new funnel using the link in bio template. Delete the extra sections so the page stays clean and simple. Add a headline like "Download the ebook, How to Date Any Girl," and then set your button to "Download Now." Insert your CPA Grip Locker link into that button and save your page. When someone clicks it, they'll be taken to the content locker, complete an offer, and then unlock the ebook. Before promoting, test everything. Click through your landing page and make sure it takes you to the content locker correctly. When a user completes one offer, they unlock the ebook, and you get paid. The final step, and the part that determines how much you earn, is traffic. For this method, we use Quora because it brings free long-term traffic and has millions of monthly visitors. Create a Quora account, set up your profile, and start answering questions in the dating niche. Search for questions like, "How do I get a guy to like me?" or "How do I date a girl?" Use ChatGPT to write helpful, honest answers, and then include a line inviting readers to download your free ebook. Something simple like, "You can also download a free ebook on how to date any girl. Here's the link." Quora will often send your answer to people following those questions, which means your content can keep getting views for months or even years. Even a small percentage of readers clicking your link and completing an offer can generate consistent income over time. If you want to see results faster, use more Quora accounts to comment and reply. This will give you more opportunities to be seen, or you can make more accounts to run different niche on CPA Grip. If you want to do so, don't forget the most important thing. Use antidetect browser. By the way, I love MoreLogin so much, because what we need is stable, free traffic. As long as our account exists, the answers will continue, and we'll always have the potential to earn money. Don't let foolish account bans cut off your income stream. If you want to give it a try, don't forget to use the link in the description so you can get 50 free profiles for 14 days. I have to say, honestly, it's easy, repeatable, and works as long as you stay consistent. If you found this helpful and want more step-by-step strategies like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you want me to break down more CPA Grip funnels or show a full live setup, comment "More CPA" below.